Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with Administrator Access and the Settings app open. That ensures changes take immediately. First, go to Settings, choose Personalization, then Themes to reveal the current theme and any custom elements. If you created a custom wallpaper or cursor, copy those files to a safe folder now so they aren't lost. Once that's done, note the active theme name so you can confirm removal completed. This prevents accidentally leaving a custom component behind when you switch back to defaults. With a default theme activated, you now remove the custom one safely. Activate Windows or any built-in theme first so the system isn't using the file you want to delete. Next, locate the custom theme tile, right-click and choose Delete. Windows will remove the theme entry without affecting backed up files. Make sure to inspect background, colors, sounds, and mouse settings after deletion because some custom components can persist. Reset each section to defaults as needed to fully revert visual elements. Finish by signing out or restarting to let Windows reapply default visuals and clear cached theme data. This step ensures the task completes cleanly. If the custom theme still appears or will not delete, open File Explorer and navigate to %local app data %Microsoft/Windows/themes to manually remove leftover theme files, then restart. If visuals are still inconsistent or corrupted after those actions, use System Restore to roll back to a known good point. That recovers system theme settings without reinstalling Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.